Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far. And hopefully you're not losing too much on a coin like Turbo at this moment, because what we see is a relatively big sell-off, which unfortunately continued yesterday. Yesterday, what we talked about is that there still was hope, because we had a strong support level right here between half a cent, so 0.05, and this level right here, the 618 FIB at 0.48 cents. Right now, unfortunately, we've broken down below that. The main reason yesterday why I said that there was still potential to bounce from that level was because what you saw yesterday is that a lot of shorts were being opened for Turbo in this kind of price action right here. All right, so what happens when a lot of short orders are being opened, especially for a coin like Turbo, which historically has been, very volatile, right? So historically, it's a bit easier to move, it seems like. What happens is that you can have a liquidation spike up, like we also had right here and right here. Because if you look at Turbo and you look at the price action in the last in the last weeks at least, what you can see is that we've had relatively big short liquidations at every high we've made. All right, but all right, what you can see right now is practically still the same. As what's going on, as what has been going on since yesterday, right? And that is a dump off in price, but an increase in open interest, and most of it being short orders. We saw some shorts being closed earlier today. That's also where we bounced right here. But like throughout this entire move down, so many short orders have been opened that I still think some sort of a short squeeze is a possibility. All right, and then if we look at the liquidation for Turbo, what you can see, can I quickly reset this? But what you can see if you look at Turbo and you look at the liquidation to the upside, what you can see is that there is a lot of liquidity there. So I think it's still possible, like especially like all the way up to 0.52 cents. That's quite a nice spike. So what I think, like what you should expect is that we are trending down. All right, we just had a major bearish breakout. Out of this consolidation, I think in general Turbo has been in some sort of a downtrend since it made the all-time high, which you cannot see right here, I believe, but I do think in general that's the truth, with some rather manipulated rallies in the middle and based on news as well. So what I would assume is something like this, so that we will respect 0.48 and 0.5 cents as resistance, and that will drop down lower towards 0.35 and 0.3 cents. Which might be a buying opportunity. We'll see when we hit that level. So expect that. But I would personally, I will place some price alerts here at 0.48 and 0.5, because that's the main key level. Was the main support level yesterday, broke down below that today, is the main resistance level right now. And due to all of the liquidity to the upside, I think some sort of a turnaround, and that this turns into a fake out, is a real possibility. So for that, I would wait until we break above 0.48 cents. If we're able to do that with some momentum, right, with good momentum, so that the open interest goes up while the CVD is positive, I think that could be nice. All right, so then we could have some sort of a short squeeze. But even if we get that short squeeze, I don't see enough momentum in the markets or in Turbo to assume that we're going to be bullish afterwards. All right, so most likely is still bearish continuation into 0.35 cents all the way down here. But whether that's with some sort of a short liquidation rally in between, or whether that's just by respecting the resistance, it's still a bit uncertain. I would expect the latter. All right, but those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.